Welcome to the show. If you've been on the sidelines, you've missed a market on fire. Tech and crypto are both surging. The energy is undeniable. This isn't just another rally, it's a new era. The story of 2025 is the convergence of technology and cryptocurrency. Semiconductor giants and software innovators have pushed indices to new heights, but now crypto is taking center stage. Crypto, once the outsider, is now a star, fueling a feedback loop of optimism across Wall Street and Main Street. Conversations everywhere are about Bitcoin, Ether, and DeFi. Proof that something big is happening. The barriers between traditional finance and digital assets are crumbling, creating new wealth and opportunities. Innovation, regulatory clarity, and risk appetite are driving this surge, sending asset prices soaring. Buckle up. Let's break down what's happening, why it matters, and how you can ride this wave. Let's talk about the biggest news shaking up the market, the Genius Act. On July 18th, 2025, President Trump signed the first major federal crypto law, bringing stablecoins into the regulatory spotlight. The Genius Act sets clear rules for stablecoins. Digital tokens pegged to the US dollar, finally giving this $250 billion market legitimacy. Before, stablecoins operated in a gray area, making big institutions wary. Now, with a comprehensive framework, trust is restored and mainstream adoption is possible. The law sets standards, so investors can use stablecoins confidently, knowing their money is safe. This is the green light institutional capital has been waiting for. The Act integrates digital assets into the mainstream US financial system with bipartisan support. It's a win for the entire crypto industry, paving the way for growth and acceptance. The Genius Act is the blueprint for the future of digital finance. Let's break down the Genius Act's key pillars. First, every stablecoin must be backed one-to-one by real assets, cash or US treasuries, no more smoke and mirrors. Second, consumer protection issuers must disclose reserves, undergo audits, and give holders priority if things go south. Transparency and safety are now the standard. Third, operational standards. Issuers must meet strict requirements for capital, liquidity, and asset custody. Just like banks, they're held accountable and must report to regulators. Finally, anti-money laundering stablecoin issuers must follow the same rules as banks. Know your customer, monitor transactions, and report suspicious activity. This cleans up the ecosystem and deters bad actors. The Genius Act makes stablecoins safer, more transparent, and more legitimate. It's a critical step for crypto's mainstream acceptance. With these rules, stablecoins are ready for prime time. The digital financial landscape just got a lot more secure. With regulatory uncertainty gone, crypto is in overdrive. Bitcoin shattered records, soaring past 112,000, up nearly 30% this year. Ether's massive upgrade has reignited demand, making it the go-to platform for decentralized apps and NFTs. The entire crypto universe is rallying, from established coins to explosive DeFi projects. Projects like Saros have posted over 1,300% growth in just 6 months. This isn't just hype, it's real technological progress and investor appetite for innovation. Even meme coins are catching a bid. This rally is broader, more sustainable, and built on solid foundations, tech upgrades, institutional adoption, and regulatory clarity. The perfect storm has unleashed a wave of capital and enthusiasm. Crypto is entering a new era of growth and legitimacy. Why are Wall Street's biggest players diving into crypto? The game has changed. Institutional adoption is surging. Major financial firms are building crypto services and trading desks. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have made it easy for everyone to invest, fueling constant demand and price growth. Washington's stance has shifted. The Trump administration is pro-crypto, even establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve. This move signals that the US sees Bitcoin as a strategic asset, boosting global confidence. President Trump and VP J.D. Vance personally pushed the Genius Act, and the Trump Organization's own stablecoin venture is thriving. Government support and institutional buy-in have created the perfect recipe for this explosive rally. Crypto now has powerful friends in high places. The message is clear. Crypto is here to stay. The crypto boom is fueling a powerful ripple effect in the stock market. We're in a risk-on environment. Investors are confident, pouring money into tech stocks and crypto alike. Major indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are hitting record highs, riding this wave of optimism. The tech sector, especially AI and semiconductors, is soaring as investors bet on innovation. Companies like Nvidia benefit directly from crypto's success, driving demand for their chips. Strong crypto markets mean higher earnings for tech, creating a positive feedback loop. The success of crypto and tech is now deeply intertwined. This cycle of growth is defining the market's bullish tone. The digital and traditional financial worlds are more connected than ever. Don't forget, crypto is just one part of the story. Wall Street's true north is still corporate earnings and macroeconomic policy. The current bull run is built on strong company profits and blockbuster earnings seasons. Healthy businesses drive stock prices higher, providing a solid foundation for the market. Federal Reserve decisions on interest rates have a massive impact. Raising rates can cool markets. Cutting rates can fuel growth. Investors watch the Fed closely. Its policies shape the entire financial system. Trade policies and tariffs also create uncertainty, affecting global supply chains and profits. The investment world is complex. Crypto is exciting, but fundamentals still matter. To succeed, stay informed about everything from DeFi to inflation reports. Know what you own, do your homework, and never stop learning.